especially the yuan. What's your sense behind the weakness?
Yes, I think generally when you look at the yuan, the weakness has been caused by some of the broader weak sentiment surrounding China. And I think yesterday or this week, data surrounding the weakness of the manufacturing sector and the slower than expected recovery of the consumer sector did not help with that. So I think that has put some pressure on the yuan as well.
And so do you think there's more to go? Could it be a significant unwinding from here?
Oh, I think this, I'm not a currency expert, but we do think that, from the past, that the way that the Chinese government has managed the yuan, they look for more of a stabilization range. So we do expect that to remain in that range.
You're not a currency expert, but you do look at the currency market as a point of entry or exit when you're making investments. Pruksa, very quickly, what is the overall positioning on China right now, given the fact that most analysts and investors are turning cautious?
Yes, I think we remain cautiously optimistic on the Chinese recovery, whether you look at the consumer sector or the manufacturing sector. But I think if you look at the pace, that has certainly disappointed the market. And we do think when you drill down into the details, that's really boiled down to the lower confidence surrounding consumers as well as surrounding the manufacturing sector. Now, I think that also ties with the broader global environment where things are looking slightly weak, but also cyclically, some sectors have gone through a bit of a painful cyclical adjustment, and that should start to come to a stabilization point sometime later this year. So we think that second half things should start to look better as some of the cyclical adjustments have come to an end, and you'll start to see a gradual recovery, and that will help with the consumer confidence as well as the business confidence overall.